You know, the term MedBed sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Some incredible machine that scans you, diagnoses you, and heals you while you just sleep. Well, what if I told you that future is a whole lot closer than you think? In fact, you can actually start building it yourself, right now. Just think about that for a second. Your bedroom, not as a place you just crash at the end of the day, but as a space that is actively working to keep you healthy. A personalized ecosystem that's monitoring, repairing, and rejuvenating your body night after night, helping you get way ahead of problems before they even start. And that's the thing. While no single company is selling an all-in-one MedBed just yet, the latest tech showcase in Vegas basically laid out all the puzzle pieces for us. So today, we're going to be the architects. We're going to piece together our very own DIY MedBed and see what it takes to shift from reactive sick care to truly proactive healthcare. All right, so every good build needs a solid foundation, right? And for our MedBed, that foundation is also its brain, its command center. It's the platform where all the magic is going to happen. So here's the key idea. The bed itself becomes the central hub. It's not just some passive piece of furniture anymore. No, it's an active platform that's constantly gathering information and serving as the home base for all the other health tools we're about to add. And the perfect centerpiece for our build has to be the Starry Smart Sleep ecosystem. We're not just talking about a mattress here. This is a truly intelligent system designed to take all the guesswork out of getting a perfect night's sleep. Now, this is what's so cool. This system is proactive. It's not just going to track your sleep and spit out a report in the morning, no way. It uses AI to listen to your body in real time, your tiniest movements, your breathing, and it makes automatic adjustments to the bed's height and even the ambient sound to push you into a deeper sleep while it's happening. It's total optimization without you having to lift a finger. Okay, so our foundation is in place. Now it's time to give our MedBed some senses. We need to add the awareness layer, the tools that are going to see, scan, and really understand what's going on inside our bodies. So this is where we level up from simple sleep tracking to like full-blown health monitoring. And the goal here is for it to be totally seamless, totally passive. These devices are the eyes and ears of our system, constantly gathering vital information without needing any pokes or prods. And this whole awareness layer is anchored by two incredible devices that people are starting to call longevity stations. And that's exactly what they are. Not just gadgets, but comprehensive platforms designed to give you a deep, ongoing look at your health. So first up, you've got the Withings Body Scan 2. Get this, in just 90 seconds of you standing on it, it captures over 60 different biomarkers. We're talking everything from your heart's pumping efficiency to your cellular health. That's basically a clinical-grade checkup you can do every single morning before you've even had your coffee. And then, for a totally different angle, we've got the NuraLogix Longevity Mirror. This is just wild. You take a 30-second video selfie, and its technology analyzes the blood flow in your face to figure out your biological age, your stress levels, your cardiovascular risk. It's a 30-second glimpse into your future health. Incredible. And this quote just nails the whole idea, right? This is all about moving that critical health monitoring out of the doctor's office, which we visit maybe once a year, and embedding it into our daily lives at home. These tools are designed to spot the warning signs years before you'd ever feel a symptom. So if you look at them side by side, you see two different philosophies. The mirror is all about speed and convenience, using some really cool optical imaging to analyze light bouncing off the blood vessels in your face. The Withings scale, on the other hand, is all about comprehensive depth, using tech like bioimpedance to get a super detailed picture of your body composition. They really give you different but totally complementary views of your health. So we've got our foundation and we've got our senses. This is where the build gets really powerful. It's time to add the tools that actually take action. Let's bring in the therapy and recovery layer. You see, this is where our MedBed stops just listening and starts doing. It's no longer a passive monitor, it's an active participant in your health. These are the devices that don't just measure stuff, they deliver targeted energy to help our bodies repair, recover, and find their balance. So let's picture what a nightly routine might look like with this setup. You could start with a quick 10-minute session under L'Oreal's new flexible LED mask for skin repair. As that's happening, the RealFit A1, this AI robotic roller, is giving you a full-body massage. Then you pop on the Om Body for some gentle neurostimulation to calm your nervous system. And finally, the LumaSleep BCI reads your brainwaves and uses personalized sound to gently guide you into deep sleep. And look, don't write these off as just feel-good wellness gadgets. Let's talk real data. Take the Body, for instance. Clinical results show it's a completely drug-free solution for menstrual wellness. An incredible 88% of users experienced cramp relief, 55% reported lighter periods, and another 88% reported better mood and productivity. This is targeted, science-backed therapy that you can use right at home. All right, we've laid the foundation, we've added the senses, and we've equipped it with an arsenal of therapeutic tools. Now, let's put it all together and watch this system truly come alive. I mean, the result is nothing short of a revolution for personal health. It's an integrated, intelligent system that actually understands your body's unique needs. But the real power isn't just in owning these devices, it's in how they could work together. Imagine your Withings scale flags high arterial stiffness. Your smart hub could then automatically suggest an extra session with the Real Fit roller to improve circulation. That's a true health span ecosystem. So here's a look at our complete example build. We've got the Steri bed as the foundation, collecting all that core data. We have the Withings and NuraLogix devices for our daily diagnostic scans. We've got the L'Oreal mask and sun booster for light therapy, the Rio Fit roller and Body for deep recovery, and you can even add specialized monitors, like the Peri wearable for tracking perimenopause symptoms. It's totally modular, it's customizable, and it creates this powerful continuous feedback loop for your health. Okay, this is an absolutely incredible leap forward. But, with all technology, it always makes you ask, what's next? What's the missing piece that could take this from a collection of amazing devices to a truly integrated healing system? We've got light therapy, we have neurostimulation, we've got diagnostics that are just unbelievable. But there's a deeper level of biological influence that today's consumer tech is really just beginning to scratch the surface of. And that missing piece? It might just be something called frequency medicine. Think about it this way. That L'Oreal mask uses specific frequencies of light to tell your skin cells what to do. Frequency medicine takes that idea and blows it up, using a whole spectrum of precise energy frequencies to communicate directly with our cells, telling them to repair, regenerate, and heal. It's the next logical step, but the consumer tech just isn't quite there yet. And that really brings us to the final thought here. With our diagnostics moving into the bathroom and our therapies moving into the bedroom, that line between our home and the clinic is blurring faster than ever. So the real question isn't if our homes will become our primary health hubs, it's just a matter of when. What do you think?